Hello, green friends. Today, I visited my friend's vineyard to check on its progress. Since it's still February, the tropical region is experiencing heavy rainfall. Fortunately, my friend's vineyard, located right in front of their house, is equipped with a UV roof. This allows the grapevines to bear fruit safely even during the rainy season. As we know, grapevines are highly sensitive to humidity. During the rainy season, various diseases, especially powdery mildew, often attack the plants. This fungus grows rapidly when grape leaves get drenched in rain, and in the worst-case scenario, the plant can even die. However, thanks to the UV roof cover supported by an affordable bamboo structure, the grapevines here are well protected from the rain. That being said, pest control is still carried out once a week by spraying fungicides and insecticides. Look at how abundant these grapes are. There are various grape varieties planted here. Even though this vineyard is only in the front yard, it generates a decent income. In fact, my friend was able to buy this UV roof from the profits of last season's grape harvest. For your information, grapes here sell for around $5 to $10 per kilogram, depending on the variety and quality. From this small front yard alone, my friend made nearly $500 just from selling grapes last season. There are so many benefits to greening our surroundings. By growing grapevines, not only do we create a fresher and cooler environment, but we also get to enjoy delicious fruit and make some extra income. So let's green our spaces and take care of our planet for the sake of our health. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, my green.